video will discuss the key responsibilities of testers in Agile projects, along with the prominent tools that we can use to set up and implement Agile testing workflows. When working in an Agile environment involving an Agile team, we as the testers must closely collaborate with all the other members, which include the development and operations teams, along with the business stakeholders. Testers working in Agile software development projects must break away from the principle and working methodologies of traditional software development. And in order to succeed as an Agile tester, we need the right mindset. For example, we should prefer quality assistance over quality assurance. We should learn to adopt continuous testing over testing at the end. We should implement automated checking over manual regression testing. We should implement exploratory testing over scripted testing, and we should focus our testing objectives towards preventing defects rather than merely finding defects. A shift or change in our mindset or testing methodology will help ensure that we're much more effective and productive in an Agile software development team. So what are the skill sets that are required or desired in an Agile tester? Generally, we as an Agile tester must be proficient and competent in implementing test automation, test-driven development, acceptance test-driven development, white box, black box, and experience-based testing. Apart from that, we need to be positive and solution-oriented when approaching Agile software development projects. We need to display critical, quality-oriented, and skeptical thinking qualities in our approach towards the software or applications under development. And we also need to be able to actively acquire information and be able to respond to change quickly, so we can change, add, or improve the test cases to fulfill any potential changes in the testing requirements. Now, there are various testing tools available today that we can use to implement Agile testing principles. Some of the prominent ones include Worksoft, SoapUI, and Jira. We'll elaborate the capabilities and features of these Agile testing tools in the upcoming slides. We'll begin by exploring the features and capabilities afforded by Worksoft. Worksoft provides an Agile testing framework that enables non-technical users, developers, and test automation professionals to work together. Worksoft provides a faster approach to build automation when compared with various other test automation tools or solutions. We can even integrate Worksoft into DevOps toolchain and processes to run tests as part of the continuous testing and delivery cycle. We can use Worksoft to implement and achieve end-to-end dynamic business process testing across the enterprise applications. Worksoft also provides the capability to uncover and resolve data transfer problems and system issues before production outstage occurs. The next tool that we'll explore is SoapUI. SoapUI is an Agile testing tool, which is the most popular and advanced API testing tool available in the market today. SoapUI supports various protocols and technologies like SOAP, REST, and so on to test all the types of APIs. We can use SoapUI to automate execution of functional, load, compliance, and regression testing of different types of web APIs. SoapUI is basically a free and open source test automation tool that we can use in Agile software development. SoapUI supports functional testing of web services and REST APIs. We get a simple and easy to use GUI with drag and drop features that can help accelerate the process of creating test scripts. Finally, SoapUI also provides support for multiple environments, almost all available standard protocols and data-driven testing as well. Now, the final tool that we'll explore is Jira. Jira, unlike the previous two Agile testing tools that we just explored, isn't just a testing tool, but rather a project management tool as well. We can basically use Jira for defect tracking, planning, reporting, and managing all aspects of Agile software development projects. There are various features afforded by Jira in terms of development, testing, and project management. For example, Jira supports various Agile development methodologies like Scrum, Kanban, and so on. We get a strong and dynamic reporting feature with Jira, and it provides access to different types of reports with real-time performance analysis capability. With Jira, we also get customized filters with the use of Jira query language, and we can even integrate Jira with various other important developer tools for end-to-end traceability.